Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find your Epic Games password and email. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. The first step would be to go to Epic Games on Google. Click on Sign In. Forgot password. Now click on the three dots, Passwords and Autofill. Click here. And here will appear all the passwords that we have registered in our PC. We should only look for Epic Games. In my case, it doesn't appear because I don't have any passwords saved, but maybe it will appear for you. I will do the example with Snapchat because I don't have the Epic Games one, but you should see something like this, the password and the email above. Also, you can go to the home page, click here, then here, and here look for Password Manager. And the same thing. Another way is that if you are logged into the Epic Launcher, click on your profile, then click on Account. And here you can see your half email. This might help you to remember what your email was and then go here and retrieve it. You can also check in the password app on iPhone or Android. Maybe you have a two-step factor registered there and you can see the email. If the video helped you, leave me a like and subscribe.